Most people fail at rooting grape cuttings. They dry out, rot, or just never grow roots. But today I'll show you a simple method that actually works, using just a zip bag and a bit of soil. No greenhouse, no complicated setup, and perfect even for beginners. First, let's talk about what we need. We already have our grape cuttings prepared. You'll also need rooting hormone, zip bags, and some light, slightly moist soil. That's it. This method is simple and friendly. Now about the cuttings. They should be healthy with a few buds, not too thin and not too thick. The bottom part is where the roots will form, so that's the part we'll focus on. Next step, rooting hormone. Take your cutting and dip the bottom part into the rooting hormone. This step is optional, but it really increases your chances of success and helps roots grow faster. Just make sure only the lower part is covered. Now, let's prepare the bag. Take a zip bag and add a small amount of moist soil. Important, the soil should be slightly moist, not wet. If it's too wet, your cuttings can rot. We're creating a controlled, humid environment. Now place the cutting into the soil. Press the soil gently around it, so the cutting stays stable. Then close the bag. Inside, the humidity stays high, and this works like a mini greenhouse. Place the bags in a warm spot, but avoid direct sunlight. You don't need to water often, because the moisture stays inside the bag. Just check from time to time to make sure there's no mold and no excess water. After a few weeks, you'll start to see roots forming. That's when your cutting is ready to be transplanted into a pot or open ground. This method is simple, cheap, and very effective. If you want an easy way to propagate grapes at home, this is definitely worth trying. Save this video and give it a try yourself. And follow for more simple gardening tips seedling.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions, they cut me down to size. You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some love. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions that made me wanna cry. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions. say goodbye.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you